Here we're going to take a really quick look at multiplying and dividing radicals. The basic idea in doing these, and you'll find that these are not so bad to do, you got to look and check to see that the index is the same. If there's the same index, all you're going to do is multiply or divide the insides and just combine them in one big radical. If they're different, you do nothing. So if we look at our first problem right here, for example, we have the 4th root of 15 times the 4th root of 27. They're both 4th roots. That means we can just multiply the insides and make one giant radical here. 15 times 27 is going to get us 405. So if we want to fully simplify this answer here, we need to do a factor tree and break it down. And if we do that, just extra practice with what we learned in our last video. Going a little bit off screen here. You're going to find that you have a group of 4 3's. You get to put a 3 on the outside. Your final answer for this one is 3 times the 4th root of that leftover 5 that we didn't use. So you multiply the insides, you simplify like normal, and it's not so bad to do. On our second problem, you'll see that division works very much the same way. We have cube roots for top and bottom. All that means is that we divide our insides right here. So the cube root of 40 divided by the cube root of 2 is going to be the cube root of 20, which actually does not simplify. If you do a factor tree, there's not going to be any groups of 3, so it's just going to stay as is for that one. You may be wondering what happens if these do not go in evenly, like if this doesn't divide cleanly into the 40. And for right now, we're not really going to address what happens there. There's a process you can do to get around it, but if it didn't go in evenly, you just wouldn't combine them. You'd leave it as a fraction like that. And in our final example, we have the 5th root of 10 times the 4th root of 10. Even though the number on the inside is the same, that's fine, I guess, but the index is different. You do not combine these. This right here would be how you leave your answer. There's nothing you can do with that one. Just leave it like you see it.